Hey, happy Tuesday, sharks. Today is just a troubleshoot video. I am just going to cover some things that I've been getting emails about and try to help you solve these problems. Number one, I'm getting a lot of people telling me that their Photo P is not working. Unfortunately, I do not know what my Photo P is not working means, because there could be many reasons that Photo P would not work. One is that it's maybe a blocked site on your computer, on your device that you are using. Number two is that your internet, maybe perhaps you do not have a good internet connection. That could be a possibility also. Number three is that you are just saying my Photo P is not working because you cannot get it to do what you want. So I'm hoping that some of what I'm going through today will help you and help solve the problems if you're having any. The first thing is, if your Photo P is absolutely not working, it's not working on your tablet or your Chromebook, or just the site itself is not working for you, whatever that case may be, please know that all these projects you are able to do on paper. So it's the same steps. You would just be doing it on paper with pencil, and then once you get to the coloring part, you can use, colored pencils or crayons or anything that you have at home. Markers are a little bit harder just because it's a little bit more difficult to blend, but whatever you have at home will work just fine. So please note that even if Photo P is not working, you are still responsible to do, for doing this project. You just can find a different way to do that. All right. Step one. Okay. You are going to click New Project, right? We're going to go ahead and go to Print right here, and then click Letter, and that will autofill. Remember all of these options that I want you to have put in. Again, right now, this is a portrait document, so it's going to be taller. Right? If I want to switch that because my picture is a little bit wider, you can switch it to landscape, so it's a little bit wider. You're going to rename it, okay, and then click Create. Then you're going to open and place. This is the part where you're going to need to find your photo. If you do not know how to get your photo from your phone to your device, I'm going to tell you how now. Your first way of doing this is you can email it to yourself. So on your phone, you can click your picture, and then you can click that little it looks like almost a triangle with two dots, and that's like your share to, so you can email it that way. You can also, even in most cases, just type in the to, where you would type in someone's number or contact, type out the email address, and you can actually text it to your email, if that makes sense. So you can send it as an attachment to your email that way. So either emailing it to yourself or texting it to your email. All right, give it a little bit to get there. It's not just going to magically appear. It's going to take a minute to send through, especially if your internet connection is not super strong. So once you get it in your email, you'll just go ahead and open it up and click Download. You must open it on the device you're using. So if it's your iPad, your Chromebook, your computer, you're going to open it up there and then download it to that device. Once you've done that, that's where you can come in here and you can do a file open in place, and more than likely it'll be found in your downloads. Okay, the other way that you can do it is you can go, again, if your picture is on your phone or on your iPad on a different device and you're trying to get it to your computer, another way that you can do that is you can put it in your drive. So wherever the picture is, let's say it's on my phone, I'm going to go ahead and go onto my drive, and I'm going to upload it to my drive. Then I'm going to jump onto my computer, and I'm going to open my drive on my computer, and I'm just going to find it and download it from there. Okay, so those are some ways that you can get your picture from one place to another. And if that's the problem that you're having, that's, like I said, I'm trying to solve that for you right now and let you know how to do that. Okay, once you've downloaded it and it's on your device, again, you will just create your new document like I have here, and you're going to just file open in place, look in your downloads, and it should be there. Okay, I'm just going to use this picture of the math department, for example. All right, so you're going to open in place, and what open in placing does, remember, is it opens up you this file and then it places it on the document I've created, and here it is. All right, so again, making sure that you're following these steps, making sure that you're saving periodically. Again, I will always remind you to do that, even if it's the most annoying thing that I say. please make sure you're saving as a PSD. And then again, remember, you can always rename it as the date. So whatever you're working on for this day, you can type in 331, and then that way I know it's today's, save or whatever. Okay, if you have any other questions or concerns or comments, please email me. I will try to troubleshoot with you and figure out what it is you need my help with, or what's going on as far as your photo Ps or computer is going. Please let me know. Just email me and say, hey, this is not really loading, or it's going too slow. But please note that just because you're not using Photopea, that you don't have to turn in this project, because again, every project that I'm posting while we are e-learning is going to be available to do on hard copy, which means you will be able and responsible for doing it on paper instead. All right. So please, again, let me know if you need any help with anything else, and tsoroka@horrycountyschools.net, or leave a comment below, or contact me through Google Classrooms. Okay, have a good day. Bye.